Welcome back, boys and girls. So today in this video is January 27th. So I just wanted to let people know on the YouTube side of things, if you did order apparel through our pre-order, it has all been shipped. It actually went out today. So look for that in the mail. Super appreciate that. That is the coolest thing ever when we do a video, put our link in there for apparel and people buy it. That's just, technology's crazy. We also just got these new stainless frame Fabrication flat bill hats. They're live, they're in stock, have them on the website. There's always a link in our description on where you can buy it if you're interested in it. We super appreciate it. So round eye progress. We're finally getting into a time of the year where, obviously the holidays are a couple months behind us. It's the new year, going through orders for work and freeing up time to work on our own stuff. So the round eye build is gonna go really fast. And in this video, you'll see what we got done just over a day and a half, which I think we put in a whole Friday and half a Saturday. So it's not a very long video, but just shows a little progress. So check it out. Okay, so the face of this dash is 080 and the top side is gonna be 060. So all we did is we basically made some boxes. We cut those on the Torchmate, sanded them down. We're gonna TIG weld them all up, and then the whole face of the dash will be one unit. So you can see here, what we're doing is we're gonna take the two halves, make an inner piece, TIG weld it up, sand it up, and then that'll complete our face. And every once in a while, yeah, not happy about that. It happens. Now we have a full face, done, sanded, the inner welds will stay. So we gotta whip out some end wings here. We're using thinner material, 60 thou. It's a lot easier to bead roll. We're gonna trim it out around that tube right there. And boom, done. Now we need the other side. And there it is. So now we can lay out the middle section. Middle section laid out, we got to cut the sides and flange them. Everything's done with a cutoff wheel in this process here. All sanded, ready for the flanging. Now we have it flanged, it sits underneath the end wings. We got to lay out what we want for bead rolling. Super simple, just following the dash. Now we have it clecoed in. That is the final fitment of everything before we bolt it in. Then I had this brilliant idea. We should probably bead roll some more panels. So here's Tucker laying out the hood. We're gonna go ahead and take the new panels on the side we built. We're gonna cut them all up, bead roll them as well. But in the end, it's totally worth it. Check out how cool that looks. God, bead rolling is awesome. So I got to whip out not the dash, but the roof needs a skin as well. And we mark this thing out at 1/4 inch increments, put it in our box pan brake. A little bit at a time, you'll get your radius. Okay, so that's where we're at on round eye. Just hammering out sheet metal as fast as we can, although it does take time, but I've been doing it a long time, so we can do it pretty quick. So I wanted to get your guys' opinion on this. I have an opportunity to possibly give away a small used snap-on welding machine. Trying to decide if we are to give it away on YouTube somehow, give it away on our social media platform, whether it be a raffle, whether it be you buy stickers or you buy something off of the website, it gets you entered. I'm not 100% sure, but if you guys are interested in trying to enter something like that, or you have ideas of what you think would be cool or something different than everybody else does, feel free to comment on there on this video and let me know. I mean, it'd be cool to come up with an idea. Doing giveaway stuff is something I've been thinking about a lot, and we're pretty fortunate to have some sponsors and companies that support us really well. And they have brought it to our attention too that they would even kick in some stuff. So like building stuff, like racing stuff, when we give away stuff, I'm sure we're not going to be professionals at that, but we're probably going to suck at it. And however that goes, I always forget because Tucker's not out here to remind me. So anyway, let us know. Appreciate it. Have an awesome day.